How to create a new teacher account in CATEMA. First, enter www.catema.com/Chafee in the address bar. You are now on the CATEMA Chafee College website. From here, hover over New Teachers at the top and select Create Account from the drop-down menu. Once you're on the New Teacher School Staff Account webpage, go ahead and enter your personal information. Once you have entered all of your information, go ahead and click Next at the bottom of the page. On the New Teachers/Staff page, verify that the information you entered is correct. If it is, select Yes on the bottom of the screen. Your new account has been created. You will receive notice by email confirming your account has been activated by the Chafee College Career Transition staff. Once activated, you will be able to log on as an existing user and create new class entries for student online registration. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact the Career Transition staff by emailing act.staff@chafee.edu.